We naturally picture human strength as a machine pushing outward. We imagine muscles squeezing and expanding to move our bodies, acting like heavy industrial pistons. But skeletal muscles cannot push. They are strictly tension cables. They only generate force by shortening and pulling in a straight line. That straight line limitation presents a physical dilemma. Walking, throwing, and chewing all require rotational movement. Our bodies move in arcs and swings, not rigid linear tracks. Muscle tissue alone cannot create those rotational arcs. It only provides the raw linear tension, requiring the skeletal system to translate that straight pull into something useful. A straight cable pulls a rigid lever at a central pivot point, converting straight force into a rotational vector. This tension to torque conversion is the basis for every human action. The cable is your bicep, the lever your forearm, and the pivot your elbow. Curious, if the entire muscle operates strictly as a tension cable pulling on a bone, something invisible deep inside must generate the actual force. The macroscopic power of the human body relies entirely on a microscopic engine room operating beneath the visible tissue. Peel back the visible muscle layer, and you find it is constructed entirely of smaller internal bundles. Zoom further into those bundles, and they are packed tightly with individual thread-like cells called muscle fibers. Dive inside a single muscle fiber, and you find densely packed tubular structures running its entire length, the myofibrils. This descent from the macroscopic muscle cylinder down to an isolated rectangular block reveals the sarcomere. Inside, thick myosin filaments and thin actin strands overlap. When contracting, these filaments do not shrink. They slide past one another to mechanically shorten the unit. In a resting state, this sliding engine cannot move. The actin tract is physically obstructed by regulatory proteins that block the binding sites. The ignition sequence begins when the nervous system fires an electrical signal via acetylcholine, commanding the muscle fiber to dump a flood of calcium into the cell. When calcium binds to troponin, the blocking system rotates away, fully exposing the actin tract. The myosin head then acts like a rowing oar. It reaches up, locks into the exposed notch, and mechanically pivots to drag the filament forward. Human movement is the result of millions of these microscopic myosin oars, grabbing and rowing in synchronized unison. After the myosin oar completes its pull, it remains physically bound to the track. It cannot let go on its own. Resetting the system requires ATP. Its physical presence is necessary to detach the myosin head and recock it for the next pull. The necessity of this chemical process explains the paradox of rigor mortis, why a human body becomes perfectly rigid after death. When ATP production stops, the microscopic myosin ratchets lose the ability to detach. The sliding engines freeze while still engaged, locking the body in place. A loose, relaxed muscle is not the body's default setting. Letting go is a highly managed state that constantly drains the biological motion budget. A single microscopic ratchet generates zero useful macroscopic force. The nervous system acts as the master conductor, controlling raw physical power through selective recruitment and firing rhythm. A heavy physical lift simply means the nervous system is forcing more motor units to join the pull, dumping more calcium and engaging millions of overlapping cycles simultaneously. Immense physical strength is a large-scale synchronization event, invisible motion loops perfectly aligning their timing. The nervous system sets the rhythm. Calcium clears the path. Myosin rows. ATP resets the ratchet, and the skeleton translates that massive linear pull into rotational torque. Because this biological machine is not perfectly lossless, the synchronization of these moving parts leaks motion budget as heat, warming the body as we work. A flexing human is a masterpiece of motion theory, a controlled sliding ratchet system translating trillions of microscopic pulls into perfect macroscopic action.